Uno. Hi, I am the electronics store. I want to buy very hit, boy, I need your head. Your sister loves stationery, right?
Yes, she really loves technology. What options do you see there?
iPhone 3 device, and a smartwatch, a wireless speaker, and a table.
Okay, let's compare them. Which one is the most expensive?
The table is the most expensive. It costs is the $280. The smartwatch costs $120, and the speaker costs $90.
The tablet is expensive. Is it useful and portable?
Yes, it's portable, but the storage is small.
All right, this is about the smartwatch.
The smartwatch is lighter, more modern, and the can track hairs, cards, and message.
Oh, that's good because my sister exercises every day. The smartwatch could be very useful.
True, and the speaker?
The speaker has a great sound and is cheaper, but she rates has one.
So the real choice is between the tablet and the smartwatch.
Yes, the table is bigger and more versatile, but it is here and more expensive. The smartwatch is cheaper, lighter, and more practical.
I think the smartwatch is the right option.
I agree, the smartwatch is the most useful gift.
Great! As is there is a discount, don't forget to get a gift back.
Thank you. I will do a smartwatch now.
See you
See you
on
on
Saturday.
So,
Saturday.
Saturday.